Hello everybody and welcome to a new stream. So in the last stream we managed to completely destroy the game and then debug it to fix it.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Major Oddball, thank you for the resub. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right then. I think the last stream should be forgotten. Yeah, we broke it bad. Well, I broke it badly and then took most of the stream trying to fix it. Oh dear. Yeah, so we reorganized the sprites in the last stream. Aston, come on. Calm down. Calm down, mate. Don't know what's got into him. Have you just clipped that?
Talk to your public. Talk to your public.
Right.
Here we go.
Stop.
Hello, John here.
The recording.
Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream. Hello. Talk to your public. Talk to your public.
Right. Excellent. Excellent. John, you think you see the error? You're using VSCode. Oh dear. Well, I am trying to build an extension for VSCode. I am trying to. So I've been learning TypeScript because it's all in TypeScript apparently. So I am learning VSCode. So yeah, see if I can write my own extension. But anyway. So last time out we reorganized the sprites and completely destroyed the game. So we reorganized the sprites. So we moved the sprites over by one. So we could leave sprite 0 free and sprite 7 free. It's Microsoft TypeScript. Yeah, I know. Oh, what, mate? What's the matter with you? You've been out. You was out just before we started. So we moved the sprites over to free up sprite 0 and sprite 1 to be able to do the blow up the explosion in front of a tank if you was too short, or an explosion behind the tank if you're too long. Yeah? So you get the visual feedback to find out if you're too short or too long. What? You've been out, mate. You just literally went out. I have no idea what it's on about. So, and we managed to get the turret doing the recoil when we press fire, I think. Let's put that up there. I ain't got any sound on it. So we've got it. So that's up and down. And then fire. Right. So we've got it doing that. So what we need to do is we need to build the shell code. So when you press fire, we see the shell shoot up off the screen and then come back down and then blow up whatever, wherever. Yeah. What? What? Don't look at me. Talk to your door in public. Don't look at me. Right, so we're going to create the shell subsystem, which as soon as we press fire and the recoil goes back to normal, we'll have a shell here, and then that will set it up. That will set the shell off to do its bit. So we'll get it going off the screen, and then we'll bring it down. When will you draw the shell on the raster? Because if it's at the top of the screen, it's going to be behind the raster. Because I'm not using interrupts. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it matters or not. And unless we just get it to just go up and then like it's doing an arc, it might flicker. Well, we'll try and figure that out. Let's just get the shell on the screen and to do the animation first, and then we'll figure it out. Oh mate, what's the matter? What's the matter? Right, just to shut you up. Just to shut you up. Stop your moaning. There you go. Right, so we'll create the memory space. Oh, we found it.
Put 'em up, put 'em up!
Hey, Stack Bats. Hello, welcome. Right, so let's get our memory started. So, where? So, we've already got the shell. Right, so. Oh, by the way, FaZe showed me how to get the donations to show up in. So when you do your tip, you can do the tip, and it should show up on there. FaZe showed me how to do it. Or if you want to be anonymous, just send it straight to my PayPal. I don't mind. Right. Let's have a look. Tank. Where did we put the turret? Was it in sprites? Yes. So maybe. Hey, Docster. Welcome. Right. So on the turret, when we do the recoil back up, here we are. This is where we want to set the shell. This is where we want to set the shell. So we need to set the state for the shell. Hey, you're just being greedy now, mate. You're just being greedy now. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. You're just being greedy. Right. So, where do we... here we go. There we go. Start the shell. There we go. So what we need to do is we need to... store it in storage.shell.state. So that starts our state. So that'll be the shell going up, firing. Learned behavior. Yeah. It's a pity don't put any more weight on. Right, so we'll take the turret. We'll take the turret location. And we'll store it in the shell. Unlike his owner. Shut up. Shut up. Right, what else do we need? We need the angle. We need the angle. The reason we need the angle, because that's going to be our test, because we're going to test the shell against the tanks, yeah. Look at him. Look at him. Butter wouldn't melt in his mouth. Do we have animation going on? How old is Aston? Is 17 in 4 months. He's an old man. Right. Strike pad. Yeah, he lost his brother in January. Nico, who was only 13. Well, Aston's is a grumpy old man at the moment. Right, so it is animated. It is animated. Right. But we need to change it. Right. Aston isn't that old. No, well, he is for the breed. Let's just say that he is for the breed. What's up, mate? No, you've had my compulsory treat. Don't keep looking at me like that. Right. So what we're going to do is we are going to move these to the top. We're going to move them all to the top. Yeah. He wants my mobile so he can call Docster. Well, he should be in front of the camera. He should be in front of the camera. He's not doing it right, is he? Right. Right, let's move these fellas up. Right. So that was centered on there. So let's move him. Let's move it up. Right. Let's get it up to the top. Like so. Get that one up to the top as well. I think it goes there. Yep. So we'll do the same.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
I'll give him a duck one. I'll give him a duck one. He's turned his back on me, hasn't he? He won't when he starts smelling this. Let's do that. Right, see if his nose picks it up. Right, here we go. His nose picks it up, look. Right, so let's do this one. And then do that one. That should be the same. Yep. Good. Well, yeah, he's relying on his nose more than he used to do. Let's send that to the top. I did line them up at the top. And we'll send that one to the top as well. There we go. There we go. That'll do for the moment. Right, save. Export. Right, so we've got two frames. We've got to alternate between the two frames. So let's put a frame thingy in here. And yeah. Do I? Oh, should we have a frame counter in there? Let's put a frame counter in there. So we've got 3 different bullets. Roll 3 different shells. Yeah, I can work with that. Right, okay. So, all the shells should be in the same position, yeah? So, where's game constants? So shell large is 101 and 102. Maybe I should do this. Matt, you can smell the other one. There you go.
Docster donated $50. Congratulations, you just won the lottery. Cheeky smiley face, hee hee. Enjoy, mate.
Docster? You are bonkers. Thank you. But you are bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. I need to put a donation recorder at the bottom, don't I? Because we got last. He's a patron saint, but he's bonkers. Hey up. Hang on. There you go. PayPal's just told me. Oh, what's going on? Software update. Oh yeah, right, okay. You can wait. Ugh. You're bonkers, mate. But thank you very much for the donation. You are bonkers. I don't expect anything of that size. But thank you. Bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Right, let's do this. Because I keep forgetting to put it in. I don't know if I've got any others 128s in there. Let's see if I can find them. Let's do plus 128. So that must be another one. Yes, it is. Dude, however you do it, it means a lot. It means a lot. Oh, did you hear it talking as well? It talked. It talked. I was I was quite surprised that it did it. Okay, what's going on here? Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to take this off. Yes, it does. It does. Right then. Right then. So, what else am I doing? So, Oh, I was putting the constants in, weren't I? So that's the large one. Then medium. And then small. Right, medium is 103, small is 105. Right, so there are starting points. So we'll always start with a shell large. So we'll always start with the shell large. Right, so and we will put it in we will do that. We will also reset the counter as well. So I might as well do that there. There we go. Right, so oh, yes. We need, I've missed one, haven't I? We need to tell it where to start from. Right. What else? Right then. So that should set the shell up when we've done the recoil. So all we need to do now is get it. We need to create our display routine for the shell. Oh, this is gonna be in depth. Right, so let's get that. So we could base it off of what we did for the turret. Have a display routine that displays it, and then a display. Yeah, I suppose. But then yeah, we'll do a display and an update. So we'll just copy this and we'll just hack it to bits. Hack it to bits. Because we're not going to need most of it. We'll just hack it to bits. Right. Display shell. Update shell. Right. So, we need to put the shell in all of this lot. Band 1, band 2, band 3. Yeah. That's what we need to do. So we're going to be using Sprite 7. So we'll be using Sprite 7 because I think Sprite 6 the turret. So we'll use Sprite 7 to do all the work. So right, let's change this for shell. Let's get all that done. That. By the way, has anybody started watching what's his name? Jack Ryan? I started watching it. Season 4, final season. Get in there. It looks like it's going to be another corker. Right. So, you need to watch 3. Yeah, 3 was brilliant. 3 was brilliant. I didn't think they could top 3, but 4's looking very, very good. You're at the episode where he dies. Yeah. Oh, Jack Reacher. They are doing a season 2. They've said they're doing a season 2. Yeah, Jack Reacher was good as well. Right, so this is the display. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the shell. Yeah, I thought Jack Reacher was really good. But yeah, they said they're doing a season 2. It's like Peripheral. I thought that was good as well. Anyway, so what we're going to do for the display shell, we're going to put the 7th sprite on the screen where the turret is in its location, and then we're going to put the location in all the bands. Yeah. So when the band is displaying the sprites on the screen, the sixth sprite will have the yeah, I thought it was. And so we'll put it into Sprite 7 in all the bands. Then that means when the bands do the displaying, hopefully we'll see the sprite in its relative location. Hopefully. But you never know. Right. Silo on Apple TV. I ain't got Apple TV. It's bad enough subscribing to all these subscription services as it is. I'm almost spending what I used to spend on Skype for subscription services. It's just ridiculous. Right. So, Excel. So, that's high, isn't it? No, that's X low. So, yeah. Yeah, I've terminated Netflix and I've terminated Now TV because I wasn't watching them. Prime I hang on to because of Prime. But I'm on Paramount Plus now. I've been watching Strange New Worlds. Right, so Yeah, I mean, I'm an F1 fan, but they just wanted too much money per race on now. I just thought, no. I'll watch it on free TV, the highlights, and then I get fed up of David Coulthard. Drives me nuts. Strange New World sucks. I don't know, mate. I'm on episode 4 and I'm quite liking it. Yeah, I do miss F1, but I'm not spending that sort of money per race. No, I'll watch the highlights and mute it so I don't have to listen to Coulthard. Right. It's free. All right. Oh, you mean you watch it via VPN? Yeah. Right then. So, Sprite 7. So that's what we're gonna store it in Sprite 7. So that's gonna be 14. So we don't need that. And then 15. And we don't need that. Then we need to work out the yes, we need to work out the that. So what? That's the one. That's the one we keep. That's the one we're modifying. So we need to keep the other stuff. Do that. Oh, wrong one. Do that. You're disappointed by Mercedes. Yeah. I mean, Aston Martin are doing very well. Right, so that should do that. So we need now to set all this lot. So let's start off with Sprite set 1. So storage. Hang on. No, we're in storage. Yeah. Sprite set 0. Dot band 1. Plus 14. Oh no. There we go. Oh, undeniably, Alonso is probably the best driver in on the grid because he can get the most out of any car, whether good, bad, indifferent. He can get the most out of any car. I don't think any other drivers can take a substandard car and wring its throat, to be honest. Right, so we'll do the same here as well. Right. Yes, Russell, I mean, Hamilton knew that he was in trouble when Russell had the car for that one weekend where he had COVID, and then Russell showed him how to drive the car. Yeah. So I think Russell's he's got a lot to show. Right. So I need to do that and do that there as well. But this time it's XMSB. But I don't know if you noticed. I watched the highlights yesterday at Austria, and do you know when they had the camera pointing on the Red Bull wing, it was split, and one of them was deflecting. Is that allowed now to have deflecting front wings? I thought it was banned. Well, it just shows you how long it's been since I've... Russell is good but not ready, yeah. Right, so that's the frame. So we need to store it in... So that needs to go into 7. And we need to put that... Band 1, that one. Well, I mean, don't get me started on track limits. Don't get me started on track limits. Yeah. My philosophy on track limits is, if they can run around Monaco, which, you know, there's the white line then the wall, then they can stay within the white line. They can stay within the white line whether there's a wall there or not. And if they cross that white line, they should get penalised. Should get penalised. There shouldn't be, oh, you can do it there but you can't do it there. You can do it there but you can't do it there. You should just get penalised. If they can stay within the track limits on a street circuit where there's walls, you know, there's walls either side, so if you make a mistake, that's it, done. It just does my goat in. Does my goat in, to be honest. You know, so what if there's a massive runoff? You don't have to. You shouldn't use it. I mean, to be honest, they should make the curbs that damage the cars. Then they won't do it. Then they wouldn't do it. But like I say, don't get me started on track limits. Right. What's the colour of the bullet? What's the colour of the bullet? Yellow. Right. Yellow. Don't want that there. 7. And store it in there. The curbs do damage the cars. Then why they should damage them more then because they ride them too much. Yeah, but I know, but... Right, the other street circuits, Singapore. They cross the white line, they're in the wall. Same with Baku. Cross the white line, they're in the wall. They're fast circuits. So, they can do it. They can do it. They can stay on the... They can stay within the track. Telling you. And if anybody says they can't, then they're not. They shouldn't be driving the cars. That's green. I'll have to move these as well. I'll have to move them as well. Right. So that should be setting up the display. So let's try it out, shall we? Oh, it's not in there. It's in game logic, isn't it? Right. Where am I putting this? Where am I putting this? We'll put it there. What? Potas got stuck to his face. Well, I mean, how many teams are in Formula One? I think is it 12? Yeah, it's 12 teams, 24 cars. The prize money goes down to 10th place anyway. So, you know, so there's prize money. And then they've got the sponsorships, haven't they? They've got the sponsorships. Oh, he's got ads. He's got ads. Right, let's see. Let's see if my... Ooh. Oh, right, okay. There's no such thing as that. There's no such thing as that. In fact, we will remel that out for the moment. Yeah, I think because Perez used to, he had an Mexican oil company sponsoring him, didn't he? Oh, we've lost our turret. Have I put it in the wrong place? The turret, hang on, display turret, that's 12. That's definitely 12. Have I enabled it? Hang on. Have I enabled it? Yeah, I've enabled it. Right, let's find out where my turret's gone. Some drivers have to pay for the entire drive too. Yeah, Lance Stroll. Well, his dad owns the team. It's sort of cheating, that is, when you get your dad to buy the team. Oh, the turret's there. Why is it all the way up there? Ooh, turret's all the way up there. So I've done something. Right. Let me just do this. Right. Oh no, I did destroy it. Where's my turret gone? Oh, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Right, so it's got to be the white. It's got to be this. Right, let's do that. What have I done wrong? Turret.y. That's there. Okay, where's my constants gone? Right, I don't need that for the moment. Constants. Oh! Okay. Why does that say sprite offset? Okay, right, hang on. Quick. Why were we constants? Quick. What were they? 160, 206. 160, 206. How did I change those? What? Huh? Okay. Right. Let's put it back in. Yeah. Tell me about it. It's expensive when I go karting as well. Love karting. Right. Come on. Do we have a turret now? Yeah, we have a turret. Right, so if I fire, we should, hopefully we'll see a shell. There it is. There it is. Look, there it is. It's there. Right. Your dad bought you a stick and orange. Right, so we've got the shell. Is that what it's meant to look like, by the way? I thought it was meant to look like that. 101. What have I got it set at? 102? No, 101. Why is that thing entirely yellow? It's always 101. Yeah, it is, mate, for you. Hang on. I think we've introduced a bug. Yeah. We've introduced a bug. Pants. Yeah. We've introduced a bug. We've introduced a bug. Right, okay. So we need to do this. One there, one there, one there. One there. And then we need to go this. That's right. That's 2, 3, 4. So I need to do the same here. One there, one there, one there, one there. Two. Oop, 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 oop. There. 3. 4. Right. Has that sorted that out? Right, fire. So we've put the, there we go, that's now doing it. Right, so we also need here, we need to go like this. Branch, if not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we jump straight out because 0 means there's no shell. Right. But I don't know why it's doing it yellow. Fire. Right, let's get that out of the way. Why is that yellow? That should not be yellow. Or have I got this wrong? Oh, that's green. Oh, hang on. Wrong one. Oh, there's a different way round. Oh, that's the solid. Different way round. Hang on. Can we move these around? Can I move that? No? Is it multicolour? Hang on.
Hi, John here. Another
Yes.
subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hey, SP, 24 months, mate. 24 months. Thank you for resubscribing. Yeah, it's in multicolour, but the sprites are the wrong way round. This is that. Right, can I move that sprite? Can I move that there? Why won't it move?
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Missed almost the entire stream due to PC deciding USB was drawing too much power. Really? I mean, my laptop's going bonkers at the moment. I don't know why. Right, copy, paste. Nice one, Andy. Thank you. Right, let's cut that one out. And we'll do the same thing here. Copy, paste. Cut that one out. Copy, paste. Cut that one out. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, that's probably destroyed them now. Right, so that's 1 and 2. So that's 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. There we go. Right, save that. Re-export it. Right, let's see. Right. Here we go. Right, fire. Move it out of the way. There we go, that's better. That's better. We have a blob in the middle. Right. So, we need to now do the update routine that's going to update the... we'll do the frames first and then we'll work out the movement after that. We'll do the frames first and then we'll work out the movement. Right, so let's unrem all this lot and hack it to bits. Hack it to bits. Right, shell state, yes, continue. Frame count. Increase frame count, and we'll use the same as the turret count. We'll use that. We'll use the same one. Right. No. Hang on. The turret count's going to be a different number, isn't it? Yeah, it's only 2. Right. Right. We'll use we'll do that first. So we'll change the frame every every 16th. So that's a quarter of a second. Yeah, roughly. Right, so we need to animate the frame. So we need to take this and we need to animate it. Where's Boogalugs? I don't know why he uses the bed. He's got his back end in the bed. Oh, he's on the cool mat. He's on the cool mat. I bet he's heating up. I bet he's heating up. Right, load the frame. XOR 01. That should switch it. And then we'll store it back in there. Right, so load the state. Yeah. So if we're state 1, that means we're going up. Now, we are in flight. Now, right, if we are state 1, that means we're in flight. So we need to change the Y. Let's just work this out. Change the Y. Yeah. Now, how we're going to do this? Decrease Y. So if we decrease Y, I need to let's just decrease Y, right? And right, so if Y is 0, we're just going to We'll just return. For the moment. I don't like doing that. There we go. Right. Let's get rid of that. Put that in. Oh, I've just remembered. Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it. Oh, I didn't do that though. I didn't do that. So we need to put that in. Hang on. No. That's been handled there. I don't have to worry about that. Same with that. I don't need to worry about that either. I just need to stop. Oh, John. I just need to store it back in there. Don't need that. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, so this should make our shell go up, hopefully. So have a look. Me personally, I think it's going to be a bit quick, but we'll see. Right, fire. What have I forgotten? Oh dear. Yeah. Forgot to put the routine in. Right, here we go. Oh. Oh, you muppet. 3. Right, we've got to use 3. Got to use 3. Right, so 3. Right. Here we go. Yay! Now, that is way too long. Right, let's go down to 4. Fire! 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 Dear. Oh dear. You guys have been really kind with me. You haven't called me a muppet or anything. You're really kind.
John, you muppet.
You had Muppet on standby. Well, he's doing it now. He's doing it now. So, how we're gonna do this? I mean, it goes all the way to the top. It goes all the way to the top, and there's no flickering I can see. It's behind the middle tank. So it is. So it is. So it is. Right. So we'll just change. We'll just change it. So we'll just put it on. We'll put it on the first one. So we'll leave that in on that one. Oh, hang on a second.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Mr. Plus. Yeah, I'll go back. I'm just checking. Yeah. Sprite 0 is multicolour, that's fine. Sprite 0 is multicoloured. I'm missing a plus. Where? Right. Right. Does it go? You had lag. That's alright. That's alright. Right. Fire! Right, so to fix that, right. Right. I turned the turret into a rocket. Right. Fire! Right, so we've got it going up. So right, how am I going to simulate this? How are we going to simulate this? So it needs to... Does the shell need to slow down as it's going up to give the impression that it's distance? Yeah, so we need to slow the shell down as it goes through the bands to give the impression that it's going further away from us. Right, so we need to slightly modify this, slightly. Yeah, we'll get to them, mate. We'll get to them, mate. just talking about the thing. Right, so why, and we'll need then this. Right. So when we set up the shell, which is here, we need to set up the speed. Right, so we're going to grab that.
That was a big one.
Hey Stuart, welcome. That was a big one. Right. Y speed. Who's done what? Oh, the clip. I don't know, mate. We'd have to have a look. We'd have to have a look at your channel to see who clipped it. Hey D-Type, welcome. Right. So that's going to set the Y speed. We've initialized the frac. So when we do the update, instead of doing this increase now or decrease, we will where are we? What are we doing? Where are we? Oh, there. Instead of doing this decrease, we will LDA, SEC, SBC, storage dot shell dot Y speed, and then store it back. Then branch if carry set to bypass. And then here we'd do the DC. That. That should do it. Right. Right, let's see if I've broken it. Let's see if I've broken it. Before we move on. Right, fire. Yeah, we're still firing. We need to put the test in there. We need to put the test in there. I want to stop it. So where's the stop? Here. This is the stop. So right. So we've got 4 bands. We've got 4 bands. So we need to work out the We need to work out the... oh, John, come on, get your head together. Need to work out the Y position of the start of the band so we can affect the thing. So let's create some more constants. Do I have bands? Did I set any bands? No. No. Right. Right. Yeah. So what I'm thinking of is creating some... Here we go. We'll put it in here.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
I've hard-coded the sprite number in the code, but it needs to be changed on the way down. Yeah, no. We'll come back to that when we'll come back to that. We're just trying to get it on there, and then, like you say, on the way down, we've got to determine which sprite we're using. Yeah. But I will get to that. I will get to that. I have an idea of how we can do it, but we'll get to it, yeah? Cross the bridge when we blow it up, yeah. Right, so raster band 1 equals 2, 3, 4. We'll put a fifth one in there as well. Right, what did we set them to? So band 1's 75. Band 2 100. Band 3 125. Oh, there's some logic coming on. Band 4 151. Well, that blew that up, didn't it? And band 5, which is the turret, is 177. Right then. So, all right, Fairlane. See you next time, yeah? So it's here. Right, so right. So right. Why doesn't it... Oh, display. That's why. Let's start with that one first. Branch if carry clear to next band. Right, so if it's greater than raster 5, then we're not going to do anything about it. Yeah, because we've already set that up. So we'll do 4. Right. And we're not going to do anything with 4. So it's 3. There we go. So we are... If we're greater than 3... No. We need to put 4 in there, don't we? So if we are greater than band 4, we are going to return... We are going to go to... there. Because we're not going to do anything. But we need to jump out, right? We need to jump out. So let's do this again. We've still got the accumulator. So band 3. Band 3. So we need to slow it down. We need to slow it down, and then we'll just slow it down first. So I'm going to put here. Right, so LDA, I don't really need to do that. Right, 2, do the same thing. 1, if it's less than 1, then we're going to turn it off. So just for the moment, hopefully, oh, come on, John. So we turn the state off. Hopefully that'll take the that'll stop the shell. It won't take it away. It'll probably still be on the screen because we'll have to wipe everything out. Right, let's try that. Let's see if I'm in the ballpark. Yeah, the hiss is the computer's fan. If you can hear the computer fan, For some reason, the fan's going bonkers. Hang on, I've got a thing that tells me what... Oh, it's because that's running. It's because I left that running. Hang on, have I got... Here we go. This one. What's my temps at? Oh, it's the graphics cards. Running a bit hot. Running a bit hot. That's what you're hearing, is the fan. I need to spend Docster's donation on a Mac. I think it's because I had a C64 running as well. But that is what you're hearing. Well, that didn't slow down, did it? That didn't slow down. Right. I've just seen what's wrong with it. Can you see what's wrong with it? Come on. Can you see what's wrong with it? Come on, guys, you've been watching me. No one you spotted what was wrong with it. No? No takers? Screen's upside down. Right, here we go. Fire. Woohoo! Well, we do have Yeah, I'm just trying to think why would that be? What scenario is causing that? If it's less than band 4, then it moves on to the next band. Oh.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Yeah. I think we need this in. I think we need that in. Let's try that again. Okay.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
I think it's coming here. So it's that band, I think. I think that's the band that we're having a problem with. 151. I think it's that band that we're having a problem with. Because it's doing right, it does the continue, which just comes straight out, right? So that's right. So it's here, band 3. It's just stopping at band 3. Now, I would have expected it if it's equal to band 3. Yeah. Because if it's on it, but BNE, we are trying. If it's greater than, we just want it to carry on. Yeah. Ducky auto correct. Oh. So if it gets to raster 3, to be honest, I don't think it's getting here. I don't think it's getting there. But we'll try it. I don't think it's getting there, but we'll try it. Oh, it has. Okay, let's see where it's got. Let's see what it's doing. So it's what's A? 96. 96. Oh, it's stuck on 96. Look. So if we go back to here. So if we do F11, so load 40, set the carry. Oh, we're at 0. Right, we're at 0. Hang on. Reload. Because it decks too much, yeah. Right, let's see what's going on. Right, so what we're looking for. 8561. Go to 8561. Right, here we go. These are the numbers that we're looking for, yeah? So these two. So 61 subtract 63. Right, let's see. So fire. So here we're at 97, right? And we're FF. So if we put a breakpoint, here. And just step through it. So that FF should go to 7F, which it does. Now we're back. Oh, yes. I see the problem. Yeah. Yeah, I see the problem. Right, okay. Right. How can I try and explain this? Oh, it's gonna. It was Willow's birthday yesterday. Oh. Happy birthday for yesterday. Right, how can I try and explain it? So basically what we're doing is we're on our y, right, we're subtracting the fraction, yeah? So we're subtracting the fraction. So as we go up, we're subtracting almost 1 off it, yeah? Subtracting almost 1, and then it hits the boundary of the band. So we're going, right, okay, we've hit the boundary of the band, so we're going to halve the speed. So it runs through, comes back round, subtracts from the fraction, but the y, it may not have crossed the page bound, the wrap round. So the y is still the same. It goes, oh, we're still there. Right, halve it again, halve it again, halve it again until we get to 0, and then we're stuck. So the quick fix is to decrease y. The quick fix is to decrease y, so you're not always catching that. So it should work. Right, here we go. That didn't slow down, did it? That did not slow down. Right, let's really emphasize this. Right, let's quarter the speed. Hey, Stac Bats. Night, night, mate. Hey, Proton, welcome. Yeah, next question. It's not doing it. I think it's because of those... let's take these out. Let's take these out. Oh! Why is that not doing it? My rationale seems to be right. Right, let's do this. Right. 5, 8, 6, 3. Let's go there. 8, 5, 6, 3. Right. So we're FF, and we are. We are 61, 38. Right. Right, okay, right. So, F10. So we decrease it. And I am going to put a breakpoint there. F11. Right. So it's a 3F. We've decreased it to 95. So it should go load 38. subtract that. So we should now, so we store it back. Branch of carry set, it's not, so it should decrease, which it does. Low 94. Hang on, it's not. Oh, it is. Oh. Right, here we go. There we go. You was right, mate. Needed the branch if equal in there. Right, now we've got it flying into the distance. So, right. Now, next thing is to let's sort out getting it changing the frame, yeah. This game is going to be hard. Right, let's get the so we need it to change here. Oh, right, okay. So we need to change it there and then there. So these two frames. That's what we want to do. So let's see if I can do this quickly. Let's do this. So nah. Right, we know we need to add two. We need to add two, yeah. So we'll just do it that way. It's a quick way of doing it. And so we need to do it on band. So instead of doing reduce speed, we need to get it to do that. And then that. Right, let's see if that does it.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hey, who's followed? Say hello. Don't be frightened. We're all friends here. Don't be frightened. That didn't work, did it? So what happened there? Fire! Why is that go? I'm increasing. Why is it? Welcome to the Max house. Why is that? Why is that? I'm increasing the frame, so why is it going back to the turret? I'm adding 2 because it is 2, isn't it? It's definitely 2. So there would be 1, 2. Or if it there, it would be 1, 2. Why is it going to that? Yeah, I did call it there. I mean, it is changing it. It is changing it. Fire! Oh, I don't know. Is it changing it? Hang on. Don't think I've got any more breakpoints in there, have I? Nope, just the one. Right, we'll try and follow it. Right, fire! And off we go. Right, so it stopped. That stopped way too late. Way too late. So, so if we do that, 8566 CA. Okay. That makes no sense whatsoever. It's gone to E7. So it's E8. That makes no sense. Right. Well, one, it's too early. Right.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
No, mate. There's not a missing RTS because I need it to run through here. Yeah. I definitely need it to run through there to slow it down. But I think. Yeah. Da, 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 da. 8566, I think it was, wasn't it? Go to 8566. So 8566 there. So the bullet's not been fired yet, yeah? Right, fire. Fire. Oh, hang on. Fire. There we go. 6566 6566 E6565. Right, so now it's stopped. Oh, it's changed. So E5. Right. So E5. Huh, huh. Right, so we're now to E6 and 7. Go. What the? It's, oh. Now it's, oh. One oh three, 104, 103, 104. Right, okay. Okay. Right, okay. Okay, I get you. I get you. I get you. No, it's the XOR that's causing the problem. It's the XOR that's causing the problem. Right, so we need to set the XOR when we set up the shell. Right, so first one is 3. Right, first one is 3. Let's just work that out. So when it does the next one, it's 15. Right. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ah. I still got to put them in. Still got to put them in. There we go. Right, so the next one is $105, $106. And we go back to 3. Right. We go back to 3. So right, what's our favourite byte number? 2C, I think, isn't it? That's our favourite byte number, isn't it? Yes, 2C. Right. So we load. When we need to change the sprite, we load the frame alternator. If the frame alternator is 15, then we change it to 3. But if it's 3, then we change it to 15. That can be done that can be done better. It's 12. Oh, this will be cool if this works. Fire! They've gone a bit wrong at the bottom. Is that right? Is that how it's meant to look? Oh, it is, isn't it? Fire! Nice! Nice, 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 nice. Right. So we need to clean up. At the moment we just stopped the sprite, so we need to clean up. So here. We need to clean up. So we need to put that to 0. That should take the shell off the screen. Fire! And it's not. Why is it not? Oh, because we need to set all the array, don't we? And we can do that here. We can do that there. That then should reset the array. Oh, yeah. Plank. So it doesn't set the array. And it doesn't set the array because me being me, state. Come on. Hey, hey, yes. Yes. Right, so we need to now stop it doing that. Yeah? So that's in the controls. So we need to go into the controls. Right. Controls. I shut it down, didn't I? Controls. Right, fire. Load turret state. Right. We need to do this, but we need to do it for the shell. So check the shell state first, and then right, let's try it. So this should stop us firing when there's a shell out. Right, so fire, move, fire, fire. Oh, come on, fire, fire. Oh dear. Well, we've got perspective now on the shell. Here we go. Right. So, right. So, we now... Is there 3 months left? I thought it was less than a month. I thought it was less than a month. Oh my god, 27 days. And I'm going to be away. I'm going to be away. Oh dear. Right. Oh, it's this month. Right. So, we've got the bomb, we've got the shell firing. Now we need for it to take note of the angle, yeah? We need it to take note of the angle. Yeah. So that would be firing all the way to the end. That would be. Because it's high. And that should stop at the first. Excuse me. Right, that's gonna take some thinking. I need to think about this, and it's 11 o'clock anyway, so I'm gonna sort bugger lugs out. All right, guys. Well, we've got the shell being fired, and it's got perspective as well, which looks really cool. All right. Let's try the other map. So I think it was map 2, isn't it, the other one? See what it looks like in green. Right, here we go. Oh. What happened there? It is correct. Oh, okay. 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 If it's correct, then I'm happy. Right then. So I need to think how I'm going to make it detect the conversion of the angle to the bands. Yeah, I need to think about that. Oh yeah, I need to move them as well, don't I? I wondered why that was halfway down there. I need to move them. Let's move them while I'm here. Right, let's export that. Just make sure I haven't bust them. Yeah, it looks alright. Let's put that back to 2. That's working now, isn't it? That's doing it properly. That's coming out of the top instead of halfway down the turret. Yep, I'm happy with that. Right then, guys, I'm going to have to think. I'm going to have to think how I'm going to convert the angle to the banding. I need to work out the ratios, all right? And then in the next stream we'll get it to do the blow up. So when so depending on the angle, it should blow up in the corresponding band, yeah. And we'll take it from there. All right then, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me. I'm sorry if I was a bit late this evening. Can't help it. And I will see you on Wednesday. Yeah. All right. Take care, and I'll see you later. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.